Imagine a gaming laptop crafted not just for performance, but to bring your favorite world to life. Meet HP's Omen 16 League of Legends Limited Edition, a machine designed for the champions of Runeterra and serious gamers alike. This is no ordinary gaming laptop. From its striking black and gold colorway to subtle Easter eggs inspired by Riot Games' legendary universe, every detail screams Runeterra. Under the hood, the Omen 16 packs a punch with up to an Intel Core i7-14650HX processor, paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU, boasting 8 gigs of the latest GDDR7 VRAM. Supporting up to 32 gigs of DDR5 memory and a lightning-fast 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, it's built to handle everything from intense battles to content creation with ease. Gamers can choose between two stunning 16-inch displays, a vibrant WQXGA panel delivering up to 240 Hz refresh rate and 500 nits brightness, or a crisp 2K 1920 by 1200 screen with 165 Hz. Both use IPS technology, feature variable refresh rate, and cover 100% sRGB, so every spell cast and critical hit is buttery smooth and visually stunning. Behind the scenes, HP's upgraded cooling system keeps things cool and quiet. High-efficiency fans, noise reduction tech, and Omen AI ensure your laptop dynamically adjusts for optimal performance. And when you need every ounce of power, Unleashed mode pushes the system for higher frame rates. Connectivity, it's fully loaded. USB-C with DisplayPort 1.4 and power delivery, 3 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, plus Intel Wi-Fi 6E or Realtek Wi-Fi 6 with Bluetooth 5.3 or 5.4, all ready to support your peripherals and high-speed internet needs. Powering all this is an 83 watt-hour battery that can fast charge to 50% in just 30 minutes, giving you more time gaming and less time tethered to a wall. Plus, HP's commitment to sustainability shines through, with recycled ocean-bound plastic and recycled materials in key components. This laptop isn't just powerful, it's responsible. Audio lovers get HyperX audio and DTX Ultra spatial sound, while streamers and content creators benefit from a crystal-clear 1080p HP True Vision camera. All this comes at $1,999.99, available now for pre-order on HP.com. If you're looking for a similarly powerful alternative, the MSI Katana offers comparable specs for around $1,663. The HP Omen 16 League of Legends Limited Edition, where power meets passion in every pixel. Ready to conquer Runeterra? Your journey starts here.